In my last video, I got some VHS tapes from one of my friends. But there was one I didn't include because it's a sealed VHS. And that one in question is High Anxiety, a film by Mel Brooks. Let's take a look. So first off, 20th Century Fox Selections. So yeah, this is a selections tape. Mel Brooks in High Anxiety, a psycho comedy. I think that's Brooks. Yeah, I'm not sure. Collect all the 7 Mel Brooks selections. Just like a really great poster. I love it so much. The side, Fox Video, selections, Mel Brooks and High Anxiety. Same on the other side. Top is the title, but in the dark maroon red. On the back, 20th Century Fox Selections, a selected series of films available at a special value for a limited time. The Master of Comedy takes on the Master of Suspense. And then, and one of the most fascinating things about the selections tapes, you have a little production note on the back of the case. Ray Berwick, the same man who trained thousands of birds for Alfred Hitchcock's classic film The Birds, one of the actual pictures Brooks is spoofing, also trained the zoo pigeons who pursue and attack Mel in High Anxiety. Credits down there. A couple screenshots from the movie. Let's get this sucker open. I've only seen Spaceballs in terms of Mel Brooks' movies, and I'm hoping, and I'm really wanting to see like more of his films. I really do want to get the selections VHS of History of the World Part 1. That's one I've been trying to get for years, but I haven't seen it. But hopefully someday I'll be able to get it in the collection. Some inserts in here. So there's the VHS, ordinary 20th Century Fox label. The week and year code on this one is the 27th week in 1997. Now the inserts in here, the verdict is in. Join Club Fox today. Hold on. And now there's like a something kind of holding this. Oh yeah. And we can look at this, the selections pamphlet. The only one of these that I have is Commando. I used to have, well, not that selections print of Butch Cassidy, but I did used to have like a earlier selections print of that. Let's see, the ones I have from here are, looks like these on here I don't seem to have. But I would love to get, let's see, like Raising Arizona, would love that one. Pacific Heights, The Abyss, Cocoon, and The Man with One Red Shoe. Those ones I would really love to get. Or wait, hold on. Let me do it like this. So yeah, that's it for high anxiety. Can't wait to watch this someday.